How long does a Venmo refund take? Hook, have you ever found yourself waiting anxiously for a Venmo refund? It can be frustrating, right? You sent the money, you expected it to go through, and now you're wondering where it went. In this video, we're going to dive deep into the world of Venmo refunds and answer the burning question, how long does a Venmo refund actually take? Building context, before we get into the specifics, let's quickly understand what a Venmo refund is. Essentially, it's a process where you request Venmo to return money that you've sent to someone else. This can happen for various reasons, such as sending money to the wrong person, realizing you've been scammed, or simply changing your mind. Factors affecting refund time. Now, the million-dollar question, how long does it take for Venmo to process a refund? Unfortunately, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. The time it takes can vary depending on several factors. Reason for the refund. If you're requesting a refund due to a dispute or fraud, Venmo might need to investigate the situation before processing the refund. This could potentially take longer. Venmo's current processing time. Venmo's refund processing speed can fluctuate. It's always a good idea to check their official website or social media channels for any updates on processing times. Your bank's processing speed. Once Venmo approves your refund, the money needs to be transferred back to your bank account. The speed of this transfer depends on your bank's policies and processing times. General refund time frames. While there's no exact timeline, here's a general breakdown of what you can expect. Immediate refunds. In some cases, Venmo might be able to process refunds immediately. This often happens when there's no dispute or investigation involved. Within a few days, for most refunds, you can expect the process to be completed within a few business days. Longer delays, and complex cases involving disputes or fraud, refunds might take longer. Venmo may need to gather additional information or evidence before making a decision. Tips for faster refunds. If you want to speed up the refund process, here are a few tips. Be patient. While it's natural to want the refund as soon as possible, patience is key. Avoid contacting Venmo multiple times, as this can delay the process. Provide necessary information. If Venmo requests any additional information, make sure to provide it promptly. The more details you can give, the faster they can resolve the issue. Check your bank. Once Venmo has processed the refund, it might take a few days for the money to appear in your bank account. Check your bank statements regularly to monitor the status. What to do if your refund is taking too long? If you've waited for a reasonable amount of time and still haven't received your refund, here's what you can do. Contact Venmo support. Reach out to Venmo's customer support team and explain the situation. They can provide you with an update on the status of your refund. Review your account. Make sure there are no issues with your Venmo account that might be causing the delay, such as insufficient funds or account restrictions. Escalate the issue. If you're still unsatisfied with the resolution, you may need to escalate the issue to a higher authority within Venmo or even consider involving your bank. Conclusion. As you can see, the time it takes for a Venmo refund to process can vary. While it's frustrating to wait, understanding the factors involved and following the tips we've discussed can help you navigate the process more smoothly. Call to action. Have you ever had to deal with a Venmo refund? Share your experiences in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more financial tips and tricks. Closing. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.